Okay, what's up guys? I am back. If you do not know who I am, my name is Zoe, and you should really make sure to check out my channel and subscribe down below. So the reason I'm filming this vlog style is because today I'm going to be doing a room tour just because I'm getting it redone in a couple of months. So I thought it would be fun to do like a before and after. I'm sorry if there's people shouting in the background. But yeah, also make sure to check out my blog because I post similar stuff like I do on this channel. And just a quick disclaimer, in my iPhone video to like link my background, and I've actually made that background, so if you want one or one that looks like that, just DM me on Instagram or email me. I'll put those links down below. But yeah, other than that, let's get to it. So this is the entrance to my room. We walk inside. On the left is my closet. This is what it looks like. I put my heavier coats and stuff outside, but that's just what my closet looks like. And then we walk a little more here. And I have my dresser right here. Ignore the mess, I'm really sorry. But in here is just like some jewelry and stuff like that. And then these are just extra bags and dirty stuff. And then I have my clothes in here. This drawer is a bit messy here at the bottom, but you know what? By the way, my room isn't always this clean. And then I have my two little laundry baskets right there. And then, so once you pass that, you look up and you see my bed and my egg chair. Right here. Here is my egg chair. I like to sit in it, and unfortunately this is going away when I redo my room, but it's okay. I have this little bin and the AC, and then right here is this little table that is going to replace my nightstand, which is over there, when my room is redone. And I like it because it's marble, so I can use it if I'm gonna take a picture of it. Is where you see my bed. Please ignore this. But yeah, and I just put all of these little Polaroid-ish pictures. I printed them out off of this little like HP thing. And my nightstand, if my camera focuses, is right there. This is actually going away as well. I have a humidifier, which I never use because I hate it. And then I have my little chair. This is what I put over there sometimes, like when I film. And then my desk, I think it's cool. So it just looks like a little storage unit, but then you can open this up and it becomes a desk. So I have that in there. It's neat for now, but after that probably won't be. In this drawer, I have random stuff. Sorry for the people shouting. And this is my phone case collection. I really like it. This is the one I have on. It looks like a grandma phone case, but you know what, I don't care. Those are all the phone cases that I kept. And then I have my camera case, this little thing right here. This is a speaker. And on top, I just have some random stuff. Thought this little display thing was cute. Someone gave me this. And then this is something that used to be on my wall, but I took it down. And that's just a little peace sign. And my camera's about to die. So that's fun. Into my bathroom. So here is my bathroom. Here I am. Hey, what's up? Hello. This is my toilet, really lovely. These are two makeup things. I have a drawer over here with just some stuff, and I have a couple cabinets. This is where I keep all of my makeup and skincare in these two. There's that one, and there's this one. This is mostly like extra products and hair care products. This is my lovely sink. It has my mom's makeup bag in it. Don't know why she was in here. This, I just have clothes hanging up, but my shower is over here. Okay guys, I hope you liked that video. The reason my room may or may not look different in like different shots is because my camera battery died, so I ended up filming on a different day. But if you did like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and comment what you want to see next. And stay tuned for the next time I'll be posting. To be honest, it's kind of random. And I love you guys. XOXO. Bye.